boys and girls, and welcome to my channel. I am Miss Kim, and today I want to share with you a little book that is going to educate us a little about the weather. We are in the month of April, and have you ever heard of the saying, April showers bring May flowers? And have you ever wondered why it rains? Well, this book, A Little Mouse by the name of Christopher, has asked that question and is looking for someone to help him. So let's follow Christopher along and see if we can find the answer. In this book, Why Does It Rain? A Just Ask book. Let's meet Christopher. Hi. My name is Christopher. This book is by Chris Arvidas, illustrated by James Buckley. Let's begin. Look, it's raining. It's raining all around. Look at the big raindrops. Look at Christopher. He's out playing in the rain. Have you ever played in the rain? He's dressed for it, isn't he? He has his umbrella, his rain jacket, and his galoshes. Why does it rain? I've got to find out. So off he goes on his journey. Hi, Al. Can you tell me why does it rain? Ooh, I'm busy now. Why don't you ask the frog? A frog. Well, let's see. Hello, frog. Please tell me, why does it rain? Oh, that's a big question. But I'll tell you what I know. That's also a big frog. Well, let's see what the frog has to say. Look around you. See all the water? See the lakes, streams, and puddles? Oh, he's pointing out all that water. Wow. When the sun shines, it makes everything warm. It heats the water. Ah. Okay, now let's listen carefully. As the water is heated, it turns into water vapor. The worm is looking and he says, the puddle is smaller. You can't see the water vapor, but it is in the air. It goes up into the sky. There is a name for this. It is a big, big word. Ready? It's evaporation. Say it with me. Evaporation. Christopher says, oh dear, I'm not sure I understand. Hang in there, Christopher. You will. I know it's hard. You can't see it happen. Think of it this way. The sun heats the water in the puddles. Some of the water soaks into the ground. Some of the water evaporates or goes up into the air. Wow, he's thinking about it, isn't he? Oh, here comes somebody else in. What is that? That's right, it's an eagle, isn't it? The eagle says, I'll take him for a ride. Whoa. When it goes up into the air, that's evaporation. Okay, But then what happens? Let me tell you. I'll take you into the sky to show you what happens next. Wow, the eagle's going to give him a ride. Come on, let's go. As we go up, the air gets cooler and cooler. I'm cold. That's what happens to water vapor. As it goes up, it gets cooler and cooler. Looks like rain. No doubt. As the water vapor cools, it forms teeny tiny drops of water. When there are a lot of these tiny drops of water, a cloud is formed. Wow! Have you ever wondered how the clouds are formed? Yeah. As the air cools more, the tiny drops in the cloud stick together. The drops get bigger and heavier. When they get too big and heavy, they fall to the ground. Hey, wait for me. Oh no, Christopher's falling to the ground. Let's get out of here. The eagle must have dropped him, huh? Look, it's raining. Wow, look at all that rain. Now I know why it rains. We do too. Me too, said the little worm. And I hope you too know why it rains now. So next time when it rains, you will have the answers, right? Boys and girls, I am so glad you joined me today in this story. Why does it rain? And maybe you can do a little science experiment. Huh, that's an idea. Thank you for joining me. And remember, a good book and your imagination will take you anywhere. Until next time, bye.